Back at it. Let me get some of this trash out of here. Back getting that walk in. Here we back at it. Alright, we back at it. We talking about the car audio shows. I ain't gonna lie, I think it's over with. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's over with. When I say over with, I don't mean like there won't be any more shows at all. You know, I'm not saying that at all. But when I say it's over with, I mean it seems more like a lot of shows are either canceling out or they don't have dates set. So it may be more like a pop-up date than anything. So, you know, I think there will be shows, but SMALLRIG, we hadn't got a date yet. I see a lot of people online asking about the date. And they're telling everybody to be patient, which, I mean, I understand what they're trying to say, but considering most people have to take off and have jobs or have to plan out or may have to get kids, family situated or whatever it is, you know, they may not be able to attend because they waited a little too late to get it situated. So I really can't say if that'll be the case, you know, as far as excuse me, if that'll be the case as far as the shows goes, as far as that goes, you know, if they'll make it or not. But hopefully, so I don't think it'll be the same turnout as it usually is because it's just kind of last minute, you know. Of course, it's 2 or 3 months out or whatever it is. But just looking at it, how, you know, I don't really believe it's going on. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, I don't think it's gonna go on. So then a lot of people are concerned with points because they're not in the local shows, considering where people may be located, you know. So I'm not for sure how this is gonna turn out this year as far as car audio. So man, I mean, I hope it's more shows to pop up, but you know, you got some shows that cancel out and some of them not, and you know, they're changing dates around. I know for sure May the Steel is going on. Everything is situated, I guess, on there. He got the date set, the location. So if you want to check that out, May the Steel show down in Florida. So make sure you check that out. But everything else, I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure. You know, it's kind of like it's over with. You know, it may not be over, but it sure seem like it. You know, as far as that go. So y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all got some shows lined up. Of course, they got some in North Carolina, South Carolina area. But, you know, it's good for the people over there. But I have seen people complaining on that side of, you know, on that side of the United States where they say there's not as many as they usually have. So, you know, that may be a little something different. Like I said, I'm not really hearing about a lot of shows as it is. I have seen some judges say they will be charging for demos now. Considering a lot of people, they're not making any money. A lot of people not running the lanes. So I guess, you know, I understand on that as far as the lanes. You know, you can't just, you got to run the business. Everybody got to make a little money, you know. You know, that's kind of the deal on that. I need to adjust this strap on this bag. But, yeah, everybody got to make a little bit of money. So, I guess they're charging the demo. I mean, depending on who's throwing the show. Some people don't charge, some people do. But I guess, you know, you would charge an entry fee to cover all of that. You know, just charge a certain fee to get in and then charge a fee to run the lanes, or the entry comes with the lanes, or, you know, that's the way you just eliminate all of that. Just charge enough for the get in and to run the lanes all at one time. And I think it'll be good. I need to organize my bag and everything. Let me get over here. I need to get to the side. Try not to hold nobody up walking and stuff like that. But, yeah, man. It's looking rough, man. It's looking real rough. Team Deadly Hurt show. I guess they got that going on. They already got a date lined up for that. So, I know about 2 shows for sure. I don't know certain ones I'm going to, but I know one I'm going to. I got plans on going to that. So yeah, we know it'll be warm there. But anyway, y'all let me know, man, down in the comments. It's really not much to say, man, because I don't really know if any shows going on. I guess, like I said, people are waiting to closer to the dates to really schedule these events. And that's really about as far as we can go. I'm right now ready for me. How you doing?
What's up, man? You all right?
All right, can't complain about this weather today. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got blessed with a little nice weather out here today, man. So, you know, it rained last night. I need to get somewhere I can tighten up my pants. And Peacemaker weighing it down. You got to keep that Peacemaker on you, man. You got to keep the Peacemaker in prayer with you, something. You got to keep whatever you got going on with you. But, never know. Get wild out here. Anyway, man. Yeah, man, I thought it was a good idea to come out here and do a little walking and talking, but, you know, like I said, I would have recorded last night at the gym, but, you know, it was kind of empty, so I probably could have been cool, you know, but I didn't even go for it. I don't even want to be the only person there setting cameras up. Oh, man, I got to walk through the water right here. Man, let me turn this around so y'all can see. Yeah, but, man, yeah, like I said, I don't have any plans for any shows other than one show lined up so far, and it's real slow as far as the rest of it, you know. Let me go ahead and turn that back around on me, because there are other people out here, and I don't want to just get them on the camera, and I don't want to get them on the camera long, and they may not want to be. So, you get on by. Let me get over here, man, and try to situate my pants right quick. Let me get over here, man. I'm struggling with this bag and all that stuff going on, stuff falling down. All right, y'all hold tight. All right, we're back. Yeah, man, I had to get situated, man. I had to organize everything, but I said it's not gonna be a long, drawn-out video on this one because, like I say, it's terrible because, you know, it ain't really much to really talk about on this, you know, because there either is or it ain't, you know, a lot of shows going on, you know. So I mean, like I said in the last video, you got a lot of stuff going on elsewhere as far as really spread it out. But in the, I'm gonna say the southwest, not southeastern United States, I hadn't really heard of much. Now Indiana usually has a whole lot of shows, you know, right there just in Indiana alone. You don't even have to leave because they usually have a lot going on. So, you know, you won't even have to go anywhere. You can just go to Indiana and you'll be good. But, you know, they got a lot going on up there. But as far as everywhere else, I don't know about that. Like I say, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. Like I said, ain't much to ramble on about. As bad as it is, and I hate to say, I think it's almost over with, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. I'm going to see y'all back on the next one.